The overwhelming idea of the great whale himself, such as a portentous and mysterious monster, roused all my curiosity. Then the wild and distant seas where he rolled.
So Moby Dick, the great white whale, represents everything that is random and uncontrollable, right?
Yeah, reminds me of myself. Massive and destructive, but nonetheless beautiful and awe-inspiring.
The writer uses Moby Dick for a metaphor for unbridled nature.
Are you sure Moby Dick doesn't represent the big one that just got away?
Yeah, he got away with Ahab's leg.
Oh, come on.
Excellence on the field teaches skills for life.
But nothing is more important than a quality education that starts with reading.
Children first, always.
That is the Bryan way.